So hello friends, this is our fourth part of JavaScript series in which we will be learning how to put JavaScript, or you can say where to put JavaScript and how to work with that. So I will be telling you some of the basic things about JavaScript, like how to put that using HTML and where to put JavaScript, how to put that. So this video will be also really helpful, and I'll be also showing you this thing practically, and then it will be also really helpful for you because practically I'll be showing you that how to put JavaScript and where to put JavaScript, and we will be also seeing how to just work with their Google Chrome extension in next video. But in this video we'll be learning where to put JavaScript and how to work with that. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video. If you have enjoyed learning things from this video, so hit a like to this video, and if you want to see more videos like that, hit subscribe, and also hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. Also share this video so more people can learn and they can also just take benefit of these things which we are doing through many different languages. So this video will be also really helpful. Now this is our fourth part of JavaScript series in which we'll be learning where to put JavaScript and how to work with that. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing how to work with JavaScript and where to put JavaScript in this fourth part of JavaScript tutorial. So like I've telling you, we will be now covering a fourth part of the video in which we'll be learning how to put JavaScript and where to put JavaScript. So now we'll be learning in this video where to put JavaScript in this fourth part of our video. So now we'll be starting to work with our project, and now we'll be working practically and seeing how we can just put JavaScript and where we can put JavaScript. So here I've opened my VS Code text editor. You can see now here I've saved this file with the name of index.html, and I've saved it on my local disk E. Here you have to write some of the codes of HTML. Now when you've written for linking your JavaScript file, here you have to write the code which is called script.js. So here now I will be just now not showing you in the browser because here in this I will be showing you where to put JavaScript and how to work with that. So here you have to write first of all the title. You can write title here like this is title. So this is HTML, so you don't have to learn this. Here we will be learning JavaScript in this JavaScript series here. So now I've written the title. Here you can write h1 tag or any tag to work with this. So here you can write like this is heading like this. Then you can move in this paragraph tag and you can write a tag which should be like this is paragraph like this. So here when you've written this you have to save, and I want to show you that here when you are working with JavaScript and when you want to link your JavaScript file or want to write any code using JavaScript, so you have to write a script tag here. Now when you've written this script tag, you have to erase this type tag. If you want to link any of the file of your JavaScript, so you can write source, then you can write your file name if it is in any folder. So you have to define first of all the path of the folder, then you can write slash and then file name to work with that. So here you can write source, and after writing this source you can write like if your file is named as index.js, so you can write index.js. Then your file will be coming, and what you have written in your file it will be showing you in the browser when you will be opening that. Or if you want to write JavaScript in the HTML file, you can also do that. You have to just move in this script tag, then you can write some of the code. Like here you can write console.log. This is the tags, this is the main tags of JavaScript which I am telling you, and I'll be writing this is first JavaScript code like this. And then when you will be writing this, here you can work with this. Here you can write the program hello world also, but in next video I'll be telling you how to work with that and how to just work with our hello world program. But in coming up video I'll be telling you how to work with JavaScript in Google Chrome extension, means in developer tools, how to work with JavaScript and how to write code. So this was the thing which I want to show you, and this was our first code which we have written in script tag. You can use script tag to link your JavaScript file also, and you can also use script tag to write JavaScript codes here. So I've written some of the main codes of JavaScript which many people use, and these are the basic tags which I've telling you. So this is the alert tag. So when you will be writing this alert tag, here you can write this is alert, or you can say it is alerting like this. Now here you can write this slash, save this, and when you'll be saving that, it will be showing these things in browser in your Google Chrome developer tool. So this was the thing which I want to show you, and this is the script tag which we have written here. Now I'll be raising all these things, and then here you can just move down, write a script tag again. You can also use this text JavaScript written here, but not many of the people use that. You can directly write source and you can link your file here.
So here you can just write your file name, like you want to write index.js, so you can write if it is your file name. You can also write your code in script tag directly. If you want to write this is first code, you can say this is first code of JavaScript, like this. So here you can write like this, you can save this, and you can see in your developer tool browser to just check it is working or not. So this was the thing which I want to show, and this is the simple JavaScript uh, thing which I want to show in how to work with JavaScript. And in this video we have learned where to put JavaScript in this fourth part of our JavaScript tutorial. I hope you enjoy and you have learned in this fourth part where to put JavaScript and how to work with that. So if you have learned this, if you are learning things from this video, and if you enjoy this, so hit a like, also share this video so more people can learn, and hit notification bell and subscribe button so you will be notified with all the future videos which I will be uploading, and that will giving you help moving forward. So now I'll be bringing up more videos like that in fifth part. Like I've told you, we'll be covering what are developer tools in JavaScript and how to work with that. So I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, just for today, good bye.